Good morning, everyone. First, I would like to welcome each and everyone. I am Baby Julian, your facilitator for bread and pastry in C2. Second, I would like to thank and congratulate all of you for choosing Double State Colleges, the place and venue for accumulating the knowledge and skills you desire for. Before we go on, let me first check the attendance. As I call your name, please acknowledge. This time, I am going to administer the pre-assessment tools. For you to follow up, these pre-assessment tools will be used in the preparation and scheduling of the activities of each training. Very good. I hope you really answer honestly the pre-assessment tools because all the information or any information for that matter will be very useful as we will go on with our training sessions. Now let's proceed to the orientation proper. This time, we will go on around for you to familiarize yourselves with the different areas in the training center. It is very important that you are very familiar and acquainted with the different areas so that as you go along with your training, you will know where to go. Okay, we're done. Reminders, please be here at 8 a.m. in the morning for the training proper. Thank you. Rosan Silanga, based on your self-assessment check, we have been working on the class of baking cakes for past 2 years. So you have knowledge and skills on baking cakes. And based on the certification of your company, you have consistent, excellent performance for that we will recognize your prior learning. So will be exempted in workstation number 1, which is how to bake cakes. And your first assessment is on workstation number 2, which is how to make desserts. Please follow me to the practical work area. This is your workstation number 2, which is how to make desserts. Will you please get your CBLM on the learning resource area? This is your CBLM on UC number 2, how to make or make desserts. Will you please read the information sheet, and after reading the information sheet, the answer that check and you can check your answer based on the answer. Okay. If any question and clarification, just call my attention. Rosan Selanga, based on your pre-assessment tools, you will be assigned on workstation number 5, which is identifying different tools of baking. Please follow me to the computer area. Please review this PowerPoint presentation on UC number 5, identifying different tools. And after viewing, answer this self-check and you can check your answer based on the answer key. If any question and clarification, just call my attention. How are you doing? Very good. Rosan Selanga, now you are ready to perform your task. Your task is to identify the different tools. I will be conduct the demo. I want you to observe. This is how to do it. Okay, Rosan Selanga, it is time for you to practice. While practicing your task, please observe safety precaution and you can rate your own performance using this performance criteria checklist. If any question and clarification, you can call my attention. How are you doing? Okay, Rosan Silanga, just continue viewing the PowerPoint presentation and please be reminded that after viewing the presentation, you are required to answer the self-check and you can check your answer based on the answer key. Any question and clarification, just call my attention. How is your practice? Good. Are you ready to take the institutional assessment? Okay, Rosan Silanga, let us proceed to the institutional assessment area. This is our institutional assessment area, which you will undergo the written exam and the demonstration with oral questioning. This method is to measure your underpinning knowledge and skills on UC number 2, which is performed pre and post beauty course, which is to identify the different tools in bread and pastry in C2. I believe you are ready. Rosan Sinanga, first we will have the written exam. The exam of 5 items, and I will give you 1 hour to answer the written exam. Any question? In that regard, you may begin. Time is up. May I correct the paper? Now let's proceed to the demonstration and followed by oral questioning. Given the materials and equipment, you are asked to identify the different tools within 1 hour. While conducting the demo, please observe safety precaution. And please be reminded after the demonstration followed by oral questioning. And I will be rating your performance based on the performance criteria checklist. Any question and clarification? On that regard, you may begin. Time is up. Now let us proceed to the oral questioning. What is tool used for cooking flour? Very good. Now let us proceed to feedbacking. Rosan Silanga, based on your written exam, you have an excellent performance. You got a perfect score. On your demonstration, you are confident in performing your task, but you forgot to observe safety precaution. Next time, Rosan Silanga, if you are performing your demonstration, observe safety precaution. Okay? On your oral questioning, you are not confident answering the question, but your answers are all correct. For that reason, I will be checking your progress chart for satisfactorily completed this unit of competency which perform bread and pastry in C2, and I will be awarding you the certificate of achievement for satisfactorily completed the unit of competency. And Rosan Silanga, your next workstation is workstation number 3, which is how to make good product. Good morning, trainees. Okay, trainees, I have here with me some forms you to fill up and accomplish. One set is for your post-test, and another set is the training evaluation. First, I will administer to you the post-test. I will give 10 minutes to answer the post-test. Done? May I collect the post-test? Now I will administer to you the training evaluation. The primary purpose of this training evaluation is to identify areas for improvement. For that reason, please fill up what is outlined in the training evaluation honestly. By that, I will give a proper of evaluation. Done? May I collect the training evaluation? Okay, trainees, I would like to congratulate everybody for having been completed all the unit of competencies required in this qualification, and you are qualified to undergo the national assessment. We will be announcing when and where will be your national assessment. Please keep posted. Again, congratulations and good luck.